EU risks new vaccine crisis. VDL issued an ultimatum asking not to buy AstraZeneca. The European Commission has decided not to renew its contract with vaccine supplier AstraZeneca beyond June, condemning the bloc to a more expensive solution. European Internal Market Commissioner Thierry Breton said on Sunday the EU has not made any new orders for AstraZeneca vaccines beyond June, when their contract ends after the bloc signed a deal with Pfizer-BioNTech. Mr. Breton also said he expected the costs of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccines to be higher than the earlier versions. The Commission last month launched legal action against AstraZeneca for not respecting its contract for the supply of COVID-19 vaccines and for not having a reliable plan to ensure timely deliveries. He did not rule out a potential renewal at a later stage. Concerns have risen on potential side effects of the Anglo-Swedish COVID-19 vaccine. Europe's medicines regulator said on Friday it was reviewing reports of a rare nerve degenerating disorder in people who received the shots, a move that comes after it found the vaccine may have caused very rare blood clotting cases. While the regulator has maintained that the benefits of the AstraZeneca vaccine outweigh any risks, several European countries have limited use to older age groups or suspended use altogether. In answer to a question at the European Parliament in Strasbourg, French President Emmanuel Macron welcomed the move towards what he sees are more effective vaccines against new variants of COVID-19, calling it pragmatic. Some experts say it has only ever been about trying to obscure their inept handling of the whole COVID pandemic, their incompetent negotiations, gross mismanagement of the vaccination program, and trying to pin the blame on anyone they can, i.e. the UK, AstraZeneca. The EU has gone very quiet concerning the Pfizer jab issues. Deafeningly quiet, you could say. The thousands of extra avoidable deaths is a scandal they will keep quiet on too, as the activity of the EU trolls demonstrates. And they have been fiddling the figures from day one, whilst the UK has been ridiculous overzealous to keep Project Fear going. The heavy price paid by the good citizens of Europe surely must ensure anti-EU sentiment grows, and EU exit campaigns gain momentum throughout the 27 vassal non-countries. I checked 5 of the larger vassal states and very quickly exceeded 1,000 sad deaths yesterday, and this has been the case for weeks. The EU claim they exceeded the UK on full vaccination, yet the facts prove otherwise. 10% of the population in France and Germany alone, far less than the UK. Meanwhile, last week, the EU Parliament voted on whether there should be a commitment to full transparency on the expenditure of this conference. But it was rejected, with 329 MEPs voting in favor, 360 against, and 10 abstentions. This means taxpayers' cash spent on the EU Parliament on the conference will be more hidden and hard to find. A corrupt, self-serving, unaccountable body costing billions to operate, where waste, failure, and mismanagement are very richly rewarded. What are your thoughts on the above point of view? Let me know what you think and let's discuss it. I will continuously update the latest news in the next videos. Please subscribe to the channel so you do not miss it. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos.